The Great Donut Mystery at ZPD.
Heck! All the donuts are gone! This is definitely a donut theft case.
Don't look at me. I haven't even had breakfast yet.
Under the loop, there. One orange hair and a drop of syrup? Someone was here recently.
Don't look at me. I haven't had breakfast yet.
It's fresh. Whoever left it couldn't have gone far.
Great.
White fur? Could it be?
Officer Clawhauser?
I might have accidentally eaten all the donuts.
This looks like real behind-the-scenes footage from Zootopia 2, but it's not. Everything you just watched, every character, every camera movement, every scene, was created entirely with AI. This isn't the official Zootopia 2 preview. This is a cinematic sequence I generated using Videoinu, and the crazy part is, anyone can do this. Take a look at this second one. A completely different atmosphere, emotional, cinematic, beautifully lit, and again, all generated automatically from a single prompt. And here's another style. Faster, more dynamic action shots, smooth camera motion, consistent characters, all created in just one click. So how is all this possible? It's because Videoinu is the world's first AI tool fully integrated with Sora 2. Before I show you the one-click Sora generator, let me start with the most powerful feature. Storyboard 2.0 integrated with Sora 2.0. This is what creators use to build long animated films. When you open a storyboard, Videoinu gives you a sample video sample idea and create a full sequence of cinematic shots, professionally framed, consistent characters, smooth transitions, and all you need to do is preview them. Each panel here represents an animated moment. You don't need to draw anything or animate anything. You simply pick the storyboard, preview the shots, and Videoinu uses Sora 2 to generate a high-quality animated movie from a single prompt. This is how people are making 10-minute, 20-minute, even 30-minute animated films with one idea and one click. Now let me show you the second feature, Unrestricted Sora 2. This one is designed for powerful short clips, up to 10 seconds, and it's completely watermark free. You just select text to video, choose your aspect ratio, type your prompt, and hit generate. And that's it. This entire animation was created from one sentence in seconds. So here's the difference between the two Sora features you've seen today. Storyboard 2.0 plus Sora 2 is for long cinematic films, up to 30 minutes, with consistent characters and full animated storytelling. Unrestricted Sora 2 is for short, 10-second scenes that give you more freedom, no watermarks, and faster creative testing. Both are insanely powerful. It just depends on what you want to make. Now let's talk about what makes Videoinu a game changer. Look at how smooth the motion and lighting are. Videoinu takes a simple idea and turns it into a polished animation. Check this out. Consistent characters, clean visuals, and stable camera movement, all generated with no editing skills required. Here are the core reasons creators are switching to Videoinu. Videoinu is the world's first tool fully integrated with Sora 2. You can create up to 30-minute cinematic AI videos with a single prompt. It's completely beginner-friendly. And now, the giveaway. To celebrate the Sora 2 integration, I'm giving away 5 Videoinu Pro memberships. To enter, sign up for Videoinu using the link in the description. Then comment below what you like about Videoinu and what improvements you'd like to see next. I'll pick 5 winners after the video goes live, so make sure you join early. Videoinu is finally making cinematic AI video creation accessible to everyone. No editing skills, no complicated software, just your idea and one click. Try it out using the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.
The Attic Aria, a second exposure.
Haven't been in this attic in years. Wow, here's my old camera. Huh? You're on?
Whoa, you're moving?
Of course I am. Name's Cammy. Been waiting a long time for someone to open that box.
You're alive?
That's me.
I have to show you something.
What?
I found some lost footage from your past.
Yes, I remember her.
Sarah.
A truly radiant data point, Bernard. My sensors detect significant mutual affinity.
Yeah.
It's been years. I wouldn't even know how to... she probably has a whole new life.
The data, Bernard, suggests that sometimes lost touch is merely a pause.